And now we will create a random walk. It's my favorite task in turtle graphics. So random walk, what does it mean? So it means the turtle go to the random direction. So, and we will put there a random number as random color as well. So it will be fun. So we will start from turtle, import turtle and screen like always. Now I would like to create a turtle. I will call it turtle. Okay, it goes like this, like this, like this. Okay, and screen, we will create a screen, and a screen exit on click. So I will run it to check if everything is okay, or if everything it's okay, perfect. So now I will create a turtle shape, and I put here turtle. So now the arrow will be the turtle. Great. We can stay with the turtle like this. And here, guys, we need to import random. Okay, we work with the random already. So it means here will be some colors. Do you remember the link with colors? It's here. So you can choose which color you want. In this link will be in textbook, and the link to the textbook is in description of this video, so you can check it there. And we need to find some colors. Okay, so I will put here, I don't know, dark gray, for example, comma, another one, dark sea green. Okay, why not? And so on and so on. Okay, so maybe gold. I like gold. So you can choose some colors. It's up to you how many colors will be there. Light pink. Oh, okay, why not? Light pink. What about dark pink? What's more? Oh, olive drab one. Perfect. Okay, and so on and so on. For example, there will be something like dark magenta that should be there, and something like I don't know, blue 4, it's there. Okay, so we have a colors, and now I would like to create a rotation, because from colors and from rotation we will choose a random value, random item. So here, rotation. What will be the rotation? So the turtle can rotate about 0 degrees, correct? So it means stay in your direction, don't change it. 90 degrees, okay, so it goes, if the turtle goes like this, it will go here to the top. 180, so it means if the turtle goes like this, it will change the direction to the opposite and go in another direction. And after that, 270. Okay, so if the turtle goes like this, it will ends like this, so it will goes this way. And now you could put here 360, but it doesn't make sense, because 360 it's the same like 0, correct? So it means there are 4 numbers, and the difference between numbers is always 90. Okay, 90 degrees. But of course, you can put here another numbers if you want. It's completely up to you. So I would like to create one more thing, and it will call speed. Sorry, and the start position will be 1, because you can evaluate or you can change the speed of the turtle. Okay, so we can play with it. So great, we have everything what we need, and now we can create a cycle. So and I would like to store the number in number variable in range, and it's up to you guys how many times it goes. I would put here, for example, maybe 50 times for the beginner, for the start, So now it means that the number will be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and so on, 48, 49, and that's it. 50 isn't included, okay? So remember. So here I would like to random color selection. So we need to choose a random color. So how it goes? So I would like to create a variable called random color. It's up to you guys how you name it. And here will be random.choice, and choice from what? From this list. So it means colors. Okay, you can print it if you want, but I believe that it's correct. So the turtle.pen color, so the color which the turtle draws on the screen will be the random color. Okay, perfect. So we selected the random color and set it the random color to the turtle. Great. Now we put here some movement and random rotation. Okay, so our turtle go forward. Again, it's up to you. I put here, for example, 30, 40, something like this, and turtle right, and we need to choose again random number from this. So I would put here some variable like random rotation, and again random dot choice, and from this list rotation. So put here rotation. Okay, and here this random rotation I put here random rotation. Great. I think it's perfect. So we can try and we will see. Okay, we have some problem here. Maybe some colors. Maybe I wrote something bad. Screen color. Okay. Dark gray. Bad color string. Dark gray. So dark gray. Yeah. Here is a mistake. So I have a space here. So maybe that's the problem. So we will see. Okay. It's random, correct? Great. I like it. So this is a random walk. Okay, perfect. So we have some basic structure, and in the next video we will continue and we will put there, for example, line thickness, and we would like to increase the speed.